Cordial greetings. My name is Francis Galindez. Did you spend a lot of money on your last trip? Was it a fair month? On my last trip, I didn't spend a lot of money because the place where it went was a bit close and I actually spent what I needed. What was the most amazing activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most incredible activity I did on my trip was to visit Lake Kalima. There I rode a jet ski, an experience never lived. The water was a client, but I was so curious because only the water was hot. Immediately the cold came out of the water. It was impressive in that place. What are the best things that have happened to you during your trip? Mention 2. The best things that happened to me during the trip were the following. Being with my family was the best. I consider that each experience with life strengthens the harmony and coexistence of our region. Meeting myself was something you enjoyed. I went through a difficult situation where I didn't feel like myself, but this trip renewed me and it became me again. What are the worst things that have happened to you during your trip? Mention 2. The worst things have been the following. During the trip, we were spectators of a terrible accident, an experience not so good, but that left me many lessons. The place where we went was too cold, and unfortunately, I didn't have any coat. Have you ever met a new friend while traveling? As a step? Yes, the place where I went is visited by many people, and there I met several people who appreciated me, and we talked wonderful as if you had known each other all our lives. Thank you.